USDJPY. As I mentioned, the USDJPY should be good for the sell immediately, and thankfully that paid off. And hopefully, you guys who have entered this signal have earned some really good profit. I mean, no less than 80 pips of profit from this signal. Now, what is the next move? Now we can see that the USDJPY is reversing right on the support level, right here. And now it made the bouncing. However, I think it's not gonna last for a long time. Just similar to the USDCAD, I believe it's gonna go a little bit more up, retesting this previous resistance level, and then it's gonna continue for one more down. So let's try to make it short. The USDJPY actually on the 4-hour chart seems like it's reversing from the support level. Look at that. Seeing this, let me just zoom in. Seeing this price action here, indicating a rejection in the level, and the market is not able to break out from the support level, so you cannot expect for it to immediately break out of it. Most likely this price action actually indicating that the market is going to reverse. This is the candle I'm talking about. When you see a candle like that with long wick at the top, with a big body and a small tail at the bottom, this is usually indicating that the market is start to reverse. And when I say that, when I'm telling you to wait a price action to indicate a sell or buy, that is the candle I'm talking about. For the buy order, you have to wait for this candle. If I'm telling you to wait a price action for the sell, you need to wait for the opposite side candle, meaning a small wick at the top and a long tail at its bottom. This price action is really one of the most trusted price action in my opinion, and we can see it appeared right here on the USDJPY on this support level, meaning right now USDJPY is reversing and going up. Again, not for so long. Let's go back to the daily candles so we can see it more clear where we can expect the sell for the USDJPY to start. In my opinion, this is the best level to start shorting the USDJPY because we have two key support levels. We have one key support level, and we have another key resistance level right here. Therefore, this level of the resistance has become a support level, and it kept its position for so long time. Finally, after the breakout happened, now the retest is gonna approach here. I'm not expecting for the market to actually break out from this level, and therefore we can expect for the USDJPY to continue its bearish momentum all the way until it hits this previous support level right here. So let's make it short again. USDJPY should be good for the sell right on this level on, I think here, sell the USDJPY on the level 108.468. That actually should be a good level to start shorting the USDJPY. And let me tell you that there is a chance that the candles might go a little bit against your direction, just for a little bit until hitting this previous resistance right here. So we are not talking about much more, not more than 15 pips. I don't really think the USDJPY is gonna exceed this level. And again, the reason for that is because here we have a resistance level, and if we go more to the left, we can see that here we also had a resistance level. So I'm just trying to be, I'm trying to give you safe signals as much as possible. You need to avoid, or you need to be aware that the market, if it did not reverse on this resistance level, it might reverse on this resistance level as a backup plan. I'm really doing my best here to help everyone. I just really hope it's going to pay off and everyone is going to make some good profit from trading using my signals. If the trade did not go in our favor, if the signal failed, that doesn't mean that I'm a scammer or I am a fraud. I'm seeing the comments. I'm seeing the comments on YouTube. It's really painful to see these comments that when I'm giving you a signal that it doesn't work, some noob or some beginner will start calling me fraud, scammer. I mean, I'm just giving my best, guys. I'm just giving the analysis. If you don't agree on it, we can politely discuss it and we can maybe change the signal. It happened before in the past. Those who are following me, I have changed the signals many times when I see the price action going against the direction I gave. However, sorry for making it long video, even though it just can be fit in just 2 minutes. So hopefully this is going to be a good week for everyone. And again, thank you guys for watching.